If you notice that ChatGPT is starting to mix up details or bring up random old facts, you are dealing with a cluttered memory cache that needs a complete reset. We're going to fix this issue right now by cleaning out those old data loops so you can get back to accurate responses. First, look at your screen and click directly on your profile icon. On a desktop web browser, this icon sits at the bottom left menu to find it. Click that icon and scroll down to where it says Settings. Once the main settings window pops open, look at the sidebar menu and select Personalization. Inside this menu, you will see an option labeled Memory. Click on that to open up your storage controls. Now, we need to look at the specific button that says Manage. When you click that, a full list of every single fact the AI has saved about you will appear on your screen. If you want a total clean slate, click on the three dots and click where it says Delete All Memories. The important thing is that this action deletes absolutely everything the AI knows about you across every single conversation you have ever started. If you do not want a complete wipe, you can instead look at the individual line items in that list and click the trash can icon next to specific facts you want removed. In my case, I prefer to keep some background information while throwing away outdated project details. Now, if you choose to keep this feature running, the AI will continue to automatically save random details from your future chats. If you want to prevent this from happening again, navigate back to the main memory menu and look for the Reference Saved Memories and Reference Chat History. Now click both switches so it is toggled off. By doing this, you stop the AI from saving any new facts about you. However, if you turn this off, you also lose the convenience of the AI automatically remembering your formatting preferences or project guidelines in future conversations.